that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be making a cute peacock table, starting with a styrofoam. I'm also going to be using this piece of wood here, and I'm going to be drawing out the shape of the styrofoam on this piece of wood, and I'm going to carve out the shape. I'm going to make an opening on the styrofoam where I'm going to have it pass through the peacock head to make it easy for me. Now it's not smooth, so I'm going to use a defined shape to give me a much smoother round circle. I'm also going to carve out this little circle on the wooden board as well. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'm going to start off with using a drill bit to make a hole to make it easy for me to have my jigsaw go through it. I'll be using the styrofoam adhesive that I got from Michael's craft store to glue both of them together. Now that I have that, I'm going to show you guys this awesome find that I got in at home stores. And it is this beautiful peacock. It is well balanced, so I figured that it will be perfect to use it as a table. And the price is $16.99. This was definitely a great find because something like this, of this size, usually would go for around $40 or $50, but when I saw the price, I had to take it. Now all I'm gonna do is place what I've made and pass it through the head and use a strong adhesive, but I'm gonna be starting with a styrofoam adhesive because I have styrofoam at the bottom. The styrofoam at the bottom is going to give me a good balance for my table. I'll be using the adhesive to attach the styrofoam to the peacock. To make this even much more sturdier, I'll be using a screw as well. As you can see at the bottom, I placed the wider part of the top and the wider part of the peacock for a good balance. As I have a screw here, it's still not enough. I'm still gonna have extra adhesive. That's for the styrofoam inside here and also at the other side. I let that dry for a bit, and then I used another form of adhesive that's strong to cover up the open spaces. When I was done, I took it out and I spray painted it gold, leaving out the styrofoam. This is so that the spray paint does not melt the styrofoam. I'll be covering the sides with a poster board that I'm going to cover with mirror reflective paper, and then I'll cut it to size and attach it around. Now for the top, I'll be using a Dollar Tree tray and cutting out the outer sides. And then after that, I'm going to be cutting out the little circle. And when I'm done with all that, I'll be gluing it onto the wood that's at the top. I'll be covering up this open sides here with mirror mosaic tiles. And here's what the table looks like. I used this peacock figuring because peacocks are pretty and I saw it at the store and it was really cheap compared to others with this same size. It can hold little knickknacks or even little decor heavy items. I do hope you all enjoyed this video and learned one or two things from it. Now don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.